Hello dear students, welcome to chemistry class. In this class we are going to discuss about the synthesis and uses of picric acid. Synthesis and uses of picric acid. Then this picric acid is an derivative of phenol which is having the structural formula of this one OH, NO2, NO2, NO2. Okay, this is what the structural formula of picric acid, and its IUPAC name is 2, 4, 6. With respect to this carbon, this is the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th carbon. Therefore, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. This is an picric acid, and here we are going to discuss about the synthesis of this compound. Okay. There are two synthesis methods. The first one is the synthesis of picric acid from phenol. The synthesis of picric acid from phenol. When the phenol is treated with concentrated nitric acid, that is HNO3, in presence of an sulfuric acid H2SO4 on heating. When the phenol is treated with a nitrating mixture, means the mixture of concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, and applying some amount of heat, nitration takes place. Nitration takes place at ortho and para carbon atoms of the benzene ring. Nitration takes place at ortho and para carbon atoms of the benzene ring. This is nothing but a picric acid, and here dehydration takes place, that is the loss of 3 molecules of water is taking place during this reaction. This is one method of synthesis of picric acid. Here, when the phenol is treated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, the addition takes place at ortho and para position of the carbons of benzene ring, which results in the formation of picric acid. Okay. Then the second one synthesis method is from chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene. When the chlorobenzene Cl, when the chlorobenzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and H2SO4, the nitration takes place on the benzene ring. Nitration takes place on the benzene ring at ortho and para position, and this on heating further with alkaline medium, for example sodium hydroxide solution, which results in the loss of an sodium chloride salt, and it converted into an derivative of phenol. This Cl will go with the sodium and results in the loss of an sodium chloride molecule. And this on further treating with a nitrating mixture, that is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, which results in the formation of an picric acid. Picric acid. Okay. Or we can write this one as an 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Okay. Yes, this is all about what? The synthesis of picric acid. Then now we have to discuss about the uses of this picric acid. Uses of picric acid. Okay. Then the first one use of this picric acid is we can use this one as a yellow dye for silk. We can use this picric acid, it is a yellowish in color, picric acid is yellowish in color, and this picric acid can be used as an yellow dye for silk, means in silk industry. Then the second one use is the derivatives of picric acid, which are called as a picrate derivatives. Picrate derivatives means the derivatives of picric acid. The derivatives of picric acids are picrate derivatives. The picrate derivative of N-butyl para-amino benzoate. The picrate derivative of N-butyl para-amino benzoate, which is also called as butambane, which has a formula of C11H15NO2. This is the picrate derivative of this N-butyl para-amino benzoate, which is having a formula of C11H15NO2, can be used as a surface anesthetic, for the treatment of burns. The picrate derivative of this chemical can be used as a surface anesthetic for the treatment of burns on the skin. We can use this one as a surface anesthetic. Okay. Then the third one is this picric acid can be used to produce explosives. This picric acid can be used to produce explosives. For example, lyddite and melinite. Lyddite and melinites are the products which are formed by the picric acids, or which are containing major portion of the chemical as a picric acid, and these can be used as explosives. And this lyddite is containing mainly or a high portion of the picric acid, and this melinite is made by combining the picric acid with gun cotton. Picric acid with gun cotton. Use is in qualitative analysis. These picrate derivatives, in qualitative analysis, these picrate derivatives are used to identify aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, this is the fourth use. In qualitative analysis, these picrate derivatives can be used to identify the aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, these are all some of the uses of picric acid. Thank you.